Hello guys, I'm back uh another brand new video. So uh I want to create a thumbnail for my video, and I will show you how to you create a simple professional eye-catching thumbnail for your uh video, YouTube video, and how do you do that. So first of all, you go to the Canva Pro, and I was create a video how to you purchase Canva Pro without any money, without any cost. So you can go to this video. I will put it my description. Then we will okay. So now we will talk about how to create thumbnail. So here are search bar, and you can search their YouTube thumbnail. Okay. YouTube thumbnail. So here is lots of thumbnail you show front of you. Then you what you want actually based on your video title or video. So if you create a video about interesting and amazing, like uh, Canva Pro, how to use Canva Pro free, so that I will use this template. Click here and customize this template. Click this button and then open a new tab. Here is the image. If you need put it here on your image, so that you just go to the upload. Then you go to the upload file and search where you uh, where your picture actually. Then select this picture and open it, and then this is the picture will be here. Then you will drag and drop there, but I can't because this picture is good for this video, for this thumbnail. Then I will create how to use Canva Pro based on this title. So I will write here how to use Canva Pro in free, and then go to the elements, then search here Canva logo, and then here are okay, I will select the graphics. Then here show some Canva logo. Where yes, here I will drag and drop there this logo here, and then I will customize this size. This is the big one. Okay, then I will press the Control Alert and copy this logo and make it smaller. Then I will put it here, and if you need to another one, then press Control Alert Alter, then copy another one and then customize this size. Then you will be okay, where I put it, I think here, I think not here, I think here. I think this is the okay, this is okay, I think. So see, this is easy. It's very easy. It's very easy, not harder. It's very easy. It's very professional, eye-catching thumbnail. So click the share button and go to the, okay, if wait few seconds, then click the download button, and click the download button, another button here. Okay, so okay, you can see here the my download file. I will open it, and boom, this is our thumbnail, bro. This is our thumbnail. It's a very professional. So if this video helpful for you, then hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon, and share with your friends or family who actually need to create a thumbnail, professional thumbnail. So thank you for watching this video.